here to fill in some of these holes. I don't think the camera picks it up how bad and level this is, but it's just giant. I already started over here. I dug down because there was actual holes. So I tried to dug this down about 2-3 feet, but they're long holes, maybe a foot wide. So not sure really what it was. Maybe an old tree that deteriorated or something. It's already kind of filled it in a little. And another depression right there. There's 2 more in the front. That one's filled in. I just need to pull the excess off it. And there's another big one right here. Grass needs to be cut. I don't really want to ride over it too much. So basically I'm going to fill in this area a little better and seed this. Won't seed the whole yard, but I gotta seed the parts I damaged, and I gotta seed the holes. I might as well seed some of this crap that's next to it. But I don't really have a lot of options without bringing in like some serious amount of dirt down there.